Welcome back to the channel, guys. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to bend a 22mm 90-degree bend like that, heading for the pipe on the left hand side, which is the existing pipe on the wall of the job or wherever you're working. So basically what you need to do is you need to get to the centre of that pipe and mark it with your new pipe that you're going to be bending, and then mark 70mm back from the mark of the centre of the pipe. So as you can see, guys, that's your centre of the pipe there. Mark that I've done. So being pre-marked, 70mm back, being as usual, that mark there. You want it from the camera? So what we'll do, guys, is I'll quickly show you that. So there's your 70mm marks. Take your Monument Masters pipe bender, the 22mm version, and put your marking on the pipe bender like that. Just make sure that your marking is marked up with the guard on the pipe bender. So now just start this off, guys, on the floor. As you can see, a bit more. There you go, a little bit more, guys. Little increments, just until let's say that was it, guys. Yeah, that's it, guys. As you can see, take out the bender. There you go, guys. There's your 90-degree elbow. And then you're obviously going to have your 22mm coupler going there, which will join them both. And that's it, guys. That's your 90-degree elbow bend using a 22mm Monument Masters pipe bender. Hope you like the video, guys, and look out for our next one. Thank you.